All right, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Your topic is describe a time when you were waiting for something special that would happen. You will have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Well, I am a really highly impatient person and I really hate it to wait for something. But today I would like to talk about a occasion that I still remember. It's a long time ago when I was in my college. At that time, we really live without our parents. But at that year, my parents go for the pilgrimage at Saudi Arabia, and they had a flight. Come back after performing Hajj, and we are waiting for their flights. But at the very last moment, we heard that their flight was delayed, and they don't tell exact when the next flight will go. So at that time we are really impatient and waiting. Me and my sisters are really impatient and waited for that when our parents would come back. At that time, we in our society, it's a very special occasion when someone come back from Hajj. We have a family party. All our relatives are.
Okay, thank you very much. You have spoken for around 1 minute 15 seconds. Overall, it is good, but you're mixing present and past tense. Sometimes you use present sentences, sometimes past. So try to overcome that, one thing. Second, when you use third person singular, you have to add s or es with the verb if it is present tense. But your topic is in the past tense, so you should speak, all the sentences should be made in past simple, somewhere past perfect, but mainly past simple. So tenses should be taken care of. Now we move on to speaking part 3. On what occasions do people usually need to wait?
There are many occasions when people would really wait, like in banks and in depositing the fee in colleges and universities. They have a turn, and they sometimes the time of waiting are so long. So that's why there are so many occasions
All
where.
right, this is good. Your answers are good. You need to focus your fluency also. Fluency comes when you talk about the same things again and again. So, in order to become fluent in English, you should repeat your ideas, speak on these topics time and again, record yourself, and you'll be better, right? Okay, thank you.